Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to unpublish a Wix site. All right. So first up, right here under your Wix Studio or your Wix Studio dashboard, just go ahead over to Sites. Now go ahead and click on a site. Okay. Wait for it to load. Let's say, for example, I'm going to publish this site right here. Done. You should be able to see published right here. So go to the top left, click on this icon with the 3 horizontal lines. All right, now go ahead and go to the site dashboard. Just click on it. Now in here, go ahead and find settings. Click on settings or site settings. In the right hand side, scroll down and find site domain and SEO section. In here, just click on website settings. All right, as you can see here, my site is published. So to unpublish it, let's just go ahead and click on the unpublish button right here. Click on it, and it says here, once you unpublish, your website won't be visible to visitors. Okay, you can always publish it again from the editor. So just hit on unpublish. Wait for it to load. Now once it loads, as you can see here, it says now site is unpublished. There you have it. That's how you unpublish a Wix website. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.